Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from your Paxful account. So obviously, you need to log in first to your account. Then, after that, you will see sell right here. So when you see sell, you can actually now um, withdraw money from your Paxful account. So with that, just provide the details or what you want to sell with your Bitcoin. So for instance, you will choose this one, then after that you will choose the payment method. There are a lot of payment methods right here. It usually depends on your country where you are located. So if you want bank transfer, then there's a lot of it. So yes. And your location, then the type of Bitcoin or e e money you want to withdraw.